liquid means water, solid means ice. Okay, change of state taken place from water to ice, that means from liquid to water, from liquid to solid by the release of heat energy, by the release of heat energy. Okay, is known as freezing or solidification. The change of state from liquid to solid state, that means from water to ice, and by the release of heat energy is known as freezing or solidification. Then we have to study about freezing point or solidification point. So what is freezing point? Freezing point is freezing point is 0 degree Celsius. Okay, 0 degree Celsius is also known as freezing point. So we have studied that the melting point, okay, or fusion point, and freezing point or solidification point both have 0 degree Celsius as its base temperature, okay, 0 degree Celsius. That means melting also takes place at 0 degree Celsius and freezing also takes place as 0 degree Celsius. What is melting? Melting is change of state from solid to liquid with the absorption of heat energy, and the melting point is 0 degree Celsius, and here freezing is liquid to solid by the release of heat energy, and the freezing point is 0 degree Celsius. Okay, so here till I have explained very clearly. Okay, so now we have to study about vaporization. Okay, vaporization. Okay, what is vaporization? Okay, or boiling. Vaporization or boiling, So this how it take place, like from change of state from liquid to gas, change of state from liquid to gas. Liquid we will say at water to gas means water vapor, change of state from liquid to gaseous state. Okay, by the absorption of heat energy, okay, by the absorption of heat energy, okay, by the absorption of heat energy is known as vaporization or boiling. Change of state from liquid to gas state, that means from water to water vapor by the absorption of heat energy is known as vaporization or boiling. What is vaporization point or boiling point? Boiling point or vaporization point is, we all know that it is 100 degree Celsius. That means it is a base temperature. 100 degree Celsius is known as vaporization or boiling point. Okay, then we have to study about condensation. Okay, condensation is what? Condensation means change of state from gases. Okay, change of state from gases to liquid state. Gases to liquid state. Gases means water vapor. Water vapor means bhap. Okay, water vapor to liquid means water. Okay, by the release of heat energy, by the release of heat energy. Okay, by the release of heat energy. The change of state from gases to liquid, that means from water vapor to vapor by the release of heat energy is known as condensation. Okay, and what is condensation point? Condensation point is, we all know it is also 100 degree Celsius. Okay, so boiling point is also 100 degree Celsius and condensation point is also 100 degree Celsius. So till here what we have studied, we are seeing that vaporization or boiling and condensation both are रिलेटेड टू ईच अदर, बोथ आर वाइस वर्सा। ओके, एक दूसरे के क्या है, अपोजिट हैं। यहाँ पे लिक्विड से गैस चेंज हो रहा है, यहाँ पे गैस से लिक्विड चेंज हो रहा है, यहाँ पे हीट एनर्जी एब्जॉर्ब हो रही है, यहाँ पे रिलीज हो रही। दोनों का टेम्परेचर क्या है, 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस ही है बेस, तो दोनों ही क्या है, एक दूसरे से इंटर रिलेटेड है। इसी तरीके से फ्रीजिंग और मेल्टिंग दोनों क्या हैं, एक दूसरे से इंटर रिलेटेड है, बोथ आर वाइस वर्सा टू ईच अदर, एक दूसरे के अपोजिट हैं। मेल्टिंग में क्या होता है, सॉलिड से लिक्विड बाय द एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ हीट एनर्जी, और टेम्परेचर 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस। फ्रीजिंग में क्या होता है, लिक्विड टू सॉलिड, मतलब वाटर से आइस, अगेन बाय द रिलीज ऑफ हीट एनर्जी को छोड़ते हुए, और उसको भी क्या है, 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस। तो दे बोथ आर रिलेटेड टू ईच अदर एंड दिस बोथ आर रिलेटेड टू ईच अदर। ओके, now we have to study about evaporation. Evaporation is a general term which is different from these terms. Okay, little bit different from these terms, but we will cover it here only. Okay, evaporation. Evaporation means the change of liquid state to solid state. Okay, sorry, liquid state to gaseous state. The change of from liquid state to vapor state or gaseous state, vapor state, okay, at normal temperature. At normal temperature. Normal temperature means temperature of your surrounding, temperature of your atmosphere. Okay, is known as evaporation. Okay, the change of liquid into vapor state at any temperature below boiling point. Below boiling point means normal temperature of the surrounding is known as evaporation. ठीक है, the example of evaporation is clothes, wet clothes. What we do with the wet clothes, the wet clothes are kept on the sunny surrounding, that means on the outer side of your house, and what happens, that wet clothes will get dried. Okay, गीले कपड़े जो होते हैं उसे हम लोग क्या करते हैं, बाहर या फिर ऊपर छत में ले जाकर फैला देते हैं, और क्या होता है, सन के कारण धूप होती है या फिर धूप नहीं भी होती है, फिर भी सराउंडिंग में क्या है, हवा चला करती है। इन सब के कारण क्या होता है, जो उसमें लिक्विड पानी होता है, जो कपड़े में गीला होता है, वो धीरे धीरे क्या है, वो भाप बनकर, वेपर बनकर क्या हो जाता है, उड़ जाता है, और कपड़े हमारे सूख जाते हैं, जो कि किसमें होता है, नॉर्मल जो है सराउंडिंग के टेम्परेचर में, जो कि बॉइलिंग पॉइंट से बहुत कम होता है। नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर क्या है एनवायरनमेंट का, अराउंड 35-40 इसके बीच में रहता है। गर्मी के दिनों में 40-45, ठंडियों के दिनों में 20-25 या फिर बिलो देन दैट। इसमें भी कपड़े धुलते हैं, रोज सूखते हैं। तो ये क्या है, ये है इवेपोरेशन बिलो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट। ओके, इज नोन एज इवेपोरेशन। देन वी हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट सब्लिमेशन। ओके, sublimation is a term which states that change of state from solid to gases directly. Okay, अभी तक हमने जो पढ़ा वो क्या पढ़ा कि चेंज ऑफ स्टेट फर्स्ट फ्रॉम सॉलिड टू लिक्विड, देन फ्रॉम लिक्विड टू गैस। अब क्या, अगर सॉलिड सीधे डायरेक्टली गैस में कन्वर्ट हो जाए तो वो प्रोसेस को सब्लिमेशन बोलते हैं। दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज सब्लिमेशन इफ द चेंज ऑफ स्टेट फ्रॉम सॉलिड to gases directly, okay, is known as sublimation. Okay, so for example, iodine, example we have iodine, okay, naphthalene ball, okay, aluminum chloride, okay, you all know all these things. Okay, so these are the example of sublimations. Okay, they directly change from solid to gaseous state. Okay, directly without changing into the liquid, they directly change, is known as sublimation. Okay, now we see that heat energy also brings about chemical change. Okay, now we have to study about the chemical change which is brought by the heat energy. Okay, so see here. Okay, now that topic we will cover in our next video. Okay, till here I have explained in this video. Okay, that heat energy brings about change in the chemical state. I will explain in the next video. Okay, so all of you study till here. That topic we will cover in our next video. Thank you.